Hi, I'm Brittany with the Plano Public Library. Today we are going to make a thermometer using items from around the house. Then we will conduct an experiment that measures the temperature of ice-cold water. Science concepts help your child develop problem-solving skills, reinforce the scientific relationship between cause and effect, and engage real-world applications. This activity focuses on an area of earth science related to weather and climate. Meteorology and climate change analysis are two fields that use these concepts. We will be learning about temperature, or the degree of how hot or cold it is at a particular time. A thermometer is an instrument used to measure temperature. There are different kinds of thermometers, but the type we will create today is a liquid-filled thermometer. This type of thermometer contains liquid at the bottom end of a narrow tube, which we will call the reservoir. When the temperature of the liquid in the reservoir warms up, it expands and rises higher in the tube. When the temperature of the liquid in the reservoir gets colder, it contracts and the liquid falls lower in the tube. Based on this, we can determine that a higher level of liquid in the reservoir means the temperature is warmer, and a lower level of liquid in the reservoir means the temperature is cooler. Are you ready to practice being scientists while we create a thermometer and use it to measure the temperature? Let's get started. The supplies you'll need for this experiment are a few straws, a dropper or syringe, a ruler, a few napkins, food coloring of your choice, modeling clay or Play-Doh, a permanent marker, a small bottle with a lid, bowl of ice, and rubbing alcohol. What did you notice when you placed the thermometer in the bowl of ice-cold water? What do you think will happen to the thermometer if you take it outside on a warm and sunny day? Observe your thermometer over the course of a day and record the temperature in the morning, afternoon, and evening. How does the temperature change throughout the day? How do your temperature readings compare to those in news sources, such as the Weather Channel?